Presenting the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, an unlikely but real fusion of penthouse luxury on wheels and hypercar speed. It may be easily recognized from a distance thanks to its strong, clean lines, fighter-inspired angles, and front fascia that has a large Trident emblem. A useful aerodynamic spoiler, which is uncommon on RVs, completes the design, and the entire body is clad in lightweight, durable carbon fiber. This beast can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a time that is embarrassing for a car in its class, proving that extreme performance isn't just seen on racetracks. It has a sophisticated all-wheel drive system and a hybrid V12 engine that produces over 900 horsepower. Once inside, the driver's cockpit is a symphony of performance and technology. The dashboard is a single, curved panel of carbon fiber and Alcantara that is solely focused on the driver. Your command center is a massive, curved OLED monitor in the center that displays everything from speed and directions to a 360-degree video image of your surroundings. Physical buttons have essentially been replaced with haptic touch controls and an AI voice assistant that can respond to all of your orders. This is not just a dash. This is the control panel of a starship of the future. The living space is where the true elegance is displayed. It features an open, spacious layout, clean lines, and a straightforward design. The exquisitely designed modular seats, which can be rearranged to create a formal dining room or a cozy lounge space, are adorned with Italian leather and Alcantara upholstery. The smart glass technology on the panoramic roof can switch from transparent to opaque with a single touch, giving you privacy or a stunning view of the night sky. The whole interior, including the temperature and sound system, is controlled by a single tablet. There is no more peaceful spot on Earth than this bedroom. It has a king-size bed with a high-end memory foam mattress, surrounded by wall panels coated in leather and Alcantara. Its most remarkable feature is the panoramic window behind it, which may be either opaque, for privacy, or translucent. It offers a stunning view when you awaken. Integrating storage, such cabinets and drawers, flush with the wall keeps the area neat and uncomplicated. The spa-inspired bathroom is a sanctuary. The walls are composed of composite materials that resemble marble, giving the impression of boundless grandeur, while the shower enclosure is smooth and translucent. The modern sink is a simple work of beauty, and the smart mirror has an integrated display that shows the news and the weather. Because of the adjustable lighting and ideal water pressure, you can always rely on a refreshing experience wherever you go. The kitchen of the Lamborghini Motorhome is a wonderful example of clever design. It has a dual-zone stainless steel refrigerator/freezer, a flush-mounted induction cooktop with quartz stone or lightweight composite surfaces, and a modern microwave convection oven. Cabinets are equipped with a soft-close electric mechanism. A commitment to technical precision is evident in the kitchen's design, which reduces noise and vibration while in use.